and can identify exactly when contact's going to be made and how severe the crash will be. That information is then passed through to the airbag controller. By passing that information across, we can rely...
Did you catch that? This is the massive difference between a Tesla airbag and a traditional one. On May 9th, Tesla's official X account dropped a post only 2 sentences, but absolutely hardcore. It said, Tesla Vision allows us to deploy airbags up to 70 milliseconds before an unavoidable crash. This can be the difference between a serious injury and walking away from an accident unscathed. In just one day, that post racked up 43 million views, and Tesla owners are reposting it everywhere. You might be confused. 70 milliseconds? That's literally half a blink. How can that tiny window decide if you walk away or end up in the hospital? Is that an exaggeration? If we run the numbers, you'll realize it's actually that significant. Let's look at how a traditional airbag works. Step 1, impact. Step 2, sensor detection. Step 3, triggering the igniter. Step 4, inflation. From the spark to a fully inflated bag ready to cushion a passenger, it takes 30 to 80 milliseconds. This means, in a real accident, the moment of impact throws your body forward. By the time the bag is fully inflated, you've already lunged toward the dash. Your head or chest might have already hit the steering wheel. That's why people still suffer brain injuries, broken ribs, or whiplash, even when the airbags go off. So, what is Tesla doing differently? It predicts. Tesla clarified in the replies. We feed Tesla Vision data into the airbag system so it can deploy faster during a crash. When Tesla Vision sees a car speeding toward you and determines a collision is unavoidable, it pre-arms the system. It starts the deployment process the instant it knows you're going to get hit. The moment the impact happens, your seatbelt has already pre-tensioned. The airbag is already fully open, and it's right there to catch you as you move forward. The force is absorbed, you don't hit the interior, and you avoid serious injury. Do not underestimate those 70 milliseconds. At highway speeds, say 100 kilometers per hour, a car travels 27.78 meters per second. 70 milliseconds means the car has moved nearly 2 meters. So, Tesla starts its safety sequence while there's still a 2-meter gap between the vehicles. That is the secret to Tesla's high safety rating. Now, the big question. Do traditional car makers not get this? Can't they do it too? Actually, they do get it. Volvo, BMW, Mercedes, XPeng, BYD, they all have pre-collision systems. But Tesla has achieved the longest lead time, the widest coverage, and the most accurate prediction. First, Tesla's vision-only approach uses just cameras and AI. Without the lag of cross-referencing radar data, they achieved that 70 milliseconds lead the longest public figure in the industry. Second, it's a total fleet rollout via OTA. Every Tesla built after January 2023 with HW4 hardware just got this life-saving buffer for free. No dealership visit, no hardware swap. Tesla is the first to make predictive airbags a free standard feature for everyone. Third, Tesla has billions of miles of real-world crash data, making their AI's judgment incredibly precise. It's ironic, really. Back in 2021, when Tesla ditched radar for pure vision, the experts trashed them. 5 years later, pure vision didn't ruin Tesla's safety. It became the very foundation that allows airbags to fire 70 milliseconds early. The real takeaway isn't just the 70 milliseconds. It's that the logic of automotive safety has changed. It's no longer just hardware defines everything. It's software makes you safer. Technology makes life better. If you found this useful, share it with your friends and family who drive. The more people know, the safer we all are. Follow me, and I'll keep bringing you the best stories from the world of AI cars and robotics.